Last day of our mini vacation, or whatever you want to call it. Back out here with Clyde, little Clyde and Michael. We've kept it light because we're just fishing for a couple of hours before we have to get on the road and head home. So come out with 2 rods, chatterbait and wacky rig for me. It's what was working for me yesterday. Michael's got chatterbait and wacky rig. I know Clyde's got chatterbait. I'm not sure what else he has. Hopefully these will produce again today, and we can put a few more fish in the boat. There we go, first one of the day. Ah! Number 2. Oh no, they're with my wacky rig. There we go. That's a better fish. Pretty Guntersville bass. Kersplash. All right. To put on a fresh wacky rig, fresh Cinco.
Got him. That's a healthy largemouth. Heavy. Oh my gosh, look at the belly on him. That's a thick fish. That's a healthy fish. He's been eating a lot of stuff up in here. Heavy for a little short fish. They're short, fat, healthy fish. But look at that beautiful largemouth. We'll let him go. See if we can't get on some more.
Little guy, little bitty guy, teeny tiny, but he counts. 3 for me. Whoa! Right at the boat. I was watching it come in, and all of a sudden my lure disappeared. He's been feeding well. All right. Away he goes.
Got him. Another healthy largemouth. About 15, 16 or so. We'll let him go. Whoa, he wasn't done yet. There he goes.
Oh, that's a nice one. I guess he just got down in the grass. He's not as big as I thought he was. Still decent size. All right. Send him back.
Just read them for yourself and make a decision, because these people will lie. These people will tell them, look, yeah. Another little largemouth. Throwing back.
All right, I think that's number 6 or 7. Again, not the big ones we're hoping for, but it was a fish. And that's what we came down here to do, catch fish, have fun. That's a good sized largemouth right there. 19 and a quarter, 19 and a half inch largemouth. Big guy right there. Get a weight on him. Four and a half pounds. Look at him, guys. That's a 4.5 pound largemouth, about 19 and a half inches. Another good healthy fish. Smacked the chatterbait real good. We're gonna let him go. There he goes. For my wacky rig setup, I like to use a high visibility line. I like to be able to see my line. You know, watching for that little telltale tick, or I just missed one because my worm was folded around the wrong way. Or my favorite is when it's sinking and the line just takes off. Love seeing that. But with that high visibility green, what I've got on here, makes it a whole lot easier to see it. A lot of times, especially when they take it on the drop and you're letting it fall on the slack line, you may not feel anything. Right there. You went and slung my wacky rig off. That's a spotted bass rather than a largemouth. You can tell the darker, they'll generally have a darker lateral line. Of course, the spotting here. But the other thing is, and you're not gonna be able to see it, but right here, there's a little tongue patch that feels like their teeth along through here. And that's a surefire way to tell spotted bass. Largemouth bass will have a smooth tongue. Spotted bass will have a tooth patch on the tongue. I'm sure he really likes me reaching in there and poking his tongue. But anyway, tiny little spot. I'm gonna send him back. Oh,
cold. Another little largemouth. He's a fat one. Healthy fish. Let him go. That one?
Yeah. They feel so much bigger when they get down in those weeds.
That's not the one I got. Trace of the eye. Oh, look, I also got one.
You caught something? Cool.